8725 Evanston Avenue North. Final video of the liner install. We're sitting in the city main. Gonna pull back now, pulling back through 6-inch diameter new flow cure in place liner. Alright, coming back into the 4x6 transition here. Now we're into 4-inch new flow cure in place liner. Liner looks fantastic. Back now, we should hit some concrete here, or no, black ABS right here. So this is now ABS PVC pipe all the way back to the cleanout. Now we're coming up to cleanout stack now. There's our access point. Gonna end the recording.